खमागनी रामराम साने। सो मैं टिकट लेने के बाद यहाँ मेहरगढ़ फोर्ट के एंट्री गेट पे आ चुका हूँ, जो कि आप लोग देख सकते हो। जो मैं अभी किले के अंदर जाने वाला हूँ। सो अभी मैं थोड़ा के यहाँ व्यू देख सकता हूँ, जो यहाँ से हम सारे जोधपुर सिटी का व्यू देख सकते हैं, जो काफ़ी खूबसूरत है, जो कि मैं दिखाने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। सो अभी मैं फोर्ट के लिए चलता हूँ, और जो फोर्ट का टिकट प्राइस है वो 200 रुपीज़ फॉर इंडियन है, एज नॉर्मल टिकट 50 रुपीज़ फॉर द लिफ्ट है। सो अभी आप लोग पूरे जोधपुर का व्यू देख सकते हो, जो कि काफ़ी खूबसूरत है सच में, जिसे हम ब्लू सिटी के नाम से या सन सिटी के नाम से जानते हैं। सो मेरे साथ एक्सप्लोर करें और चलें। सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर द मेहरगढ़ फोर्ट, which is very historic fort in Rajasthan, which is built over the hill of Jodhpur city. So from here we can see the whole view of the Jodhpur city. And before that I was in Jaisalmer before one day, where I travel also Sonar Fort, which is known as the Sonar Durg, as a golden fort, which is so quite popular in Jaisalmer also. So I travel many places in Rajasthan from in last 15 days. So let's see and explore with me. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
खंबागनी, जय भवानी, जय माता करनी। सो आप लोग जोधपुर के किले मेहरानगढ़ किले का अलौकिक और अविश्वसनीय दृश्य को देख सकते हो, जो खुद में एक छिपा हुआ इतिहास है, जिसकी खूबसूरती का हम बयां नहीं कर सकते कि ये सच में कितना खूबसूरत है, क्योंकि यह एक भारत का सबसे खूबसूरत और सबसे ऐतिहासिक दुर्ग है, जो जोधपुर के सबसे ऊंची पहाड़ियों पे स्थित है, जहां से हम जोधपुर के खूबसूरती को देख सकते हैं, जिसे हम सूर्य नगरी और ब्लू सिटी यानी कि नीली शहर के नाम से जानते हैं, जिसका व्याख्या करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है, क्योंकि इस किले का कोई व्याख्या कर ही नहीं सकता जितना इसका खूबसूरती है। सो आइए मेरे साथ हम चलते हैं और इस किले को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, जो काफ़ी कुछ हमें सीखने को मिलेगी इस किले को एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद। तो चलते हैं हम किले के मेन गेट की ओर। सो आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द मेन गेट ऑफ द मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट, which is clearly visible from the here, and really this fort is looking so awesome and so unique in this time, because this is a such kind of very beautiful fort of India, which is located here on the top hill of the Jodhpur. So we can see how it's visible from the here Mehergarh fort. So here one camel is also available here, so we can also do camel riding here in front of the Mehergarh fort, because of the all over the Rajasthan, especially in Jaisalmer and Barmer and Jodhpur, camels are so quite popular for the camel riding. So the amazing and unique view of Mehergarh fort, situated on the highest hill Bhakur Chiria mountain of birds of Sun City and the Blue City Jodhpur, which is really praiseworthy and commendable. So how it's looking so unique architecture and design and interior wall of the Jodhpur Mehergarh fort. So I am going towards the entry gate, main entrance, and many foreigners are coming here to explore the fort each and every day, because it is one of the most beautiful tourist place of Rajasthan in Jodhpur. And I think everyone know about the Bollywood Hindi movie Hum Saath Saath Hai, and that movie has been shoot in this Mehergarh fort. That was a very popular and famous Bollywood Hindi movie, starred by the Salman Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Tabbu, Sonali Bendre and Karisma Kapoor. That was one of the most wonder beautiful and successful movie of Bollywood Hindi movie. Hum Saath Saath Hai, that was familiar movie. So how the places nearby the Mehergarh fort looks, we can see. It's looking so awesome, and I am going to enter from the main entrance gate of the Mehrangarh Fort from the here, and we can see the painting of the wall of Mehrangarh Fort.
Now I reached to the in front of the Mehrangarh Fort entry gate. So this is the wisdom, beauty and showcase of the Mehrangarh Fort. So I am going inside this fort. So let's see and explore together. So it's very awesome and very beautiful fort. सो अभी मैं मेहरानगढ़ फोर्ट के गेट नंबर 1 पे आ चुका हूँ, जहाँ से मैं अंदर की ओर जा रहा हूँ, जहाँ से आप इसकी खूबसूरती को देख सकते हैं, जो कि काफ़ी अविश्वसनीय और अद्भुत है। सो मेरे साथ एक्सप्लोर करते रहें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Now I enter into the Mehrangarh Fort and we can see the gate of the Mehrangarh entrance main gate that is made by the very expensive iron material. So really the main entrance gate of the Mehrangarh Fort, which is looking so unique and so awesome here, and the so after coming inside the Mehrangarh Fort, I am memorizing and realizing about the Hum Saath Saath Hai most popular movie and that movie song Mare Dhingra Mein Naache. That was a very awesome and beautiful song of the Hum Saath Saath Hai movie. So that movie song Mare Dhingra Mein Naache mode that was shooted in this Mehrangarh Fort. That is quite popular song of the Bollywood movie Hum Saath Saath Hai. So now I am going to explain in details about the Mehrangarh Fort. So we can see here there is a Mehrangarh Fort price written here, 200 price for the normal every people, and the Jaswant Thara is also there because of the ticket counter is also available, and even from we can also purchase the ticket from the Mehrangarh Fort for Umaid Bhawan Palace also, which is 5 km away from the Mehrangarh Fort. So this is the beauty of the Mehrangarh Fort. Many tourists are each and every day coming to explore the Mehrangarh Fort. So how the interiors and everything inside the Mehrangarh Fort we can see, and from here we can purchase a ticket for the Umaid Bhawan Palace, which is described here in details about the Umaid Bhawan Palace. And there is a lift because the visitors who want to go and use lift to go over the fort. So this is the way to go by lift to the fort. So I am getting very good experience here, and this is my first time in Jodhpur where I have come to explore the Mehrangarh Fort. So how it is the interior wall of the Mehrangarh Fort we can see. It is very awesome and very peaceful also. And there is cafeteria into the Mehrangarh Fort. So look at the cafeteria into the Mehrangarh Fort. So अभी हम मेहरनगढ़ किले के अंदर एक कैफेटेरिया है जो काफ़ी खूबसूरत है, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, और ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग स्टोर भी है जहाँ से खूबसूरत ये हम देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे इस कैफेटेरिया का नाम पालकी कैफ़े है जो मेहरनगढ़ फोर्ट के अंदर स्थित है। सो द नेम ऑफ द मेहरनगढ़ फोर्ट एंड दिस कैफेटेरिया नेम इज़ द पालकी कैफेटेरिया इनसाइड द मेहरनगढ़ फोर्ट। सो मेनी tourists and visitors are taking their snacks and breakfast here in this Palki cafeteria, and I am going towards the next. There are so many gates are there inside the Mehrangarh Fort. So I am nearby another second gate of the Mehrangarh Fort. The architecture of the Mehrangarh Fort which looking so unique here. गणपति बप्पा मोरया वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि संप्रभम निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. So here at the cannon point in Mehrangarh Fort there is a one cannon means top is also there towards the town to protect the Mehrangarh Fort from enemies and invaders. Now I am going towards the third gate into the Mehrangarh Fort which I am going to cross right now. Jai Shri Ganpati Bappa Moria, Jai Shri Bajrangbali. So the awesome beauty of the Mehrangarh Fort. This is very also unique, and Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur which is famous for being one of the India's largest, most magnificent fort on the Bhakur Chiriya Hill, perched 400 feet above the Blue City, which was founded by Rao Jodha in 1459 AD, which is renowned for its unbreached massive walls, intricate places like Moti Mahal, Phul Mahal and Sheesh Mahal, with the museum which holds a vast collection of artifacts including the palki, epionary, miniature paintings and folk musical instruments and weapons into the museum of the Mehrangarh Fort. So here is the Rao Jodha ji ka Phalsa. Rao Jodha ji Phalsa. So the interior wall of the Mehrangarh Fort, which is so unique, here we can see how it looks, which is the unbreached massive walls. So this Mehrangarh Fort, which is also offered panoramic views of Jodhpur, which renowned for its blue painted house surrounding nearby the Mehrangarh Fort in below. And the fort also hosts major events like the Rajasthan International Folk Festival and the World Sacred Spirit Festival. So please like, subscribe and share my channel and YouTube link of this content, and I will be meet soon with the next another content. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.